December 2022 Rotary Christmas Party, or in other words, Paskong kay saya puno ng biyaya. I got really close, didn't I?
Yeah.
Really close. Okay. That's kind of what it says right here.
It means a Christmas that is so happy, full of blessings.
That's exactly what I was going to say. You read my mind.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is for the raffle. We're going to have a raffle here tonight. This is where the band is going to be playing. There's the band guy right there. I can tell he's got the drumstick. I'm really good at analysis. Okay, and these are a lot of the folks that are kind of waiting for the event to start, right? We're ready for it to start. We got some gift giveaway back over here. This is going to be for the gift exchange at the end of the night. We're going to do a white elephant gift exchange back here.
On the tree, please let's see if I Thank you, President Lee, Tenorio. Next po natin ay James Tanner. James Tanner.
First of all, I want to apologize. Puntilang Tagalog. So thank you all for coming here and happy Christmas.
Thank you, James Tanner.
Kayo din kayo. Kayo po ay kasama ko bilang pamilya ng Lyre. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Okay, picture po. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Lahat ng mga
Ganda pangalawang row. Baba.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Sino wala pa? Wala pa kayo?
Isa-isa lang po na. Hindi dapat kayo matitira sa picture. Ano po kayo dito? Okay po.
Mag-arte.
Kikikita na lang ba? Okay. Okay, ano ang susunod? Doon daw. Sino pinakamatandang apat?
Ay, hindi ko alam pa rin.
Pasko na naman uli, inaraw nating pinakamimiti. Pasko na naman uli, sa pag-ibig nagahari.
But she's crying and she is saying
Ang Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay magsiyawi. Tandaan niyo ba? Holy night, yourself a merry Christmas. Let your heart be light. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm dreaming of
So ito muna eh. Ito. Ang yan yun. Ang version yun?
Sige, bilisin nyo, bilisin! Bilis! Huwag hawakan! Tulong hawak sa ilalim! Shoot! Okay. Sakay po ulit ang team football. Sakay po ulit.
Sige. Balaksa mo.
Oo, tama na. Sige.
Pwede.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Ave Maria. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
I'm so blessed. We are so blessed. Anyway.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Today's episode was trying to give you an idea of what's been keeping us so busy over the last few weeks here during the month of December, because we really haven't put out a lot of videos.
Yeah,
But
we've been so very busy.
we've been very busy. We've been very busy, and hopefully it was kind of apparent. Well, anyway, we just wanted to get across to you that Christmas, just like I said at the Rotary event that we went to, Christmas is in the heart, and Christmas should be celebrated 365 days of the year. That
That's right.
feeling, and we feel that pretty much here in the Philippines. It's that kind of feeling here,
It's always giving and taking and give and take,
and sharing.
being kind
Yeah.
to one another. Yeah.
So that's what's inside the heart, and that's what makes Christmas what Christmas is all about. Anyway, thank you so very much for sticking with us through the years, and hopefully we continue to be able to do this in the years to come, and we'll share all of our experiences that we have here inside the Philippines.
And happy holidays.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right, and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.